What's up guys, Trey here with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we're checking out the OPR front door weather strip for the driver's side of the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JKs. If you're looking to replace your worn out or damaged weather strip to restore proper sealing and keep their interior protected from the elements, then this is definitely something that's worth checking out. Now this weather strip is going to be a direct replacement designed to fit and function just like the factory part. It helps seal your driver door, preventing water leaks, wind noise, and drafts. This makes it ideal for keeping your Jeep's cabin comfortable and free from the outside elements during both daily driving and those off-road adventures. In addition to improving the sealing, this weather strip is also going to reduce interior road noise levels, providing a more enjoyable driving experience. It's an excellent option for Jeep owners dealing with a degraded or missing weather strip due to wear and tear over time. This OPR front door weather strip is crafted from really durable rubber, designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and extreme temperatures. It's going to be precision molded to ensure a perfect fit for JK front driver side doors, making it easy to align and install, which we'll show you here in a minute. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, giving your Jeep reliable protection from the elements. Now, as far as pricing goes on this weather strip is coming in right around that $80 price range, making it an affordable and practical solution for maintaining your Jeep's comfort and functionality. Installing this weather strip on your driver's side door is going to be very straightforward, and the job can be completed in about 30 minutes or so. So on our difficulty meter, it's only a 1 out of 3 wrenches, something that anybody can complete right in their driveway. Simply remove the old or damaged weather strip and press this one into its place, made a lot easier with its pre-molded design. Now, let's see exactly how this goes on with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain.com customers.
All right guys, the only tools that we used here during the installation of this front door weather stripping is a pair of nail nose pliers and a roller that we have, kind of a blunt edge roller. I'm sure a putty knife, something with not a sharp edge could be used as well. A lot of it could be done just with your fingers, but it helped to get the edge of the gasket into the track holder. All right guys, first step, we got to undo the door strap catch and the wiring harness. So let's get down here in the floorboard. As you're gonna see, your wiring harness is coming out underneath your dash there. Got a little keeper on it. That keeper just needs to be pulled down all the way. Right, nothing on the back. You're just gonna pull that down. It's gonna be a little snug. It's gonna be tough. It's not wanting to let go. There it is. Push that little button in there. It didn't click last time, so it should come on out now. There it is, right there. Just to remove this strap right here, all you gotta do is just get it out from around the little catch there, the little barb. Work it around, squeeze the door kind of up on yourself a little bit. And that's just gonna come on off like that. Once we got that off, we're gonna be able to start pulling our old OEM weather stripping off. That's really straightforward. All right, we got our door catch and our wiring harness loose, right? Gonna move on to removing our old weather stripping. It's really simple. No tools are really involved in this process. Just take it here on the corner, just start peeling it away. There's just a couple of places where there's some little tab catches right there. And it's gonna come on off pretty good without pulling those out right now. I got another tab catch right here. 2 tab catches right there, looks like. And that's the old weather stripping. It is now off. All right guys, we removed that OEM weather stripping. We had some of these little Christmas tree tabs that hold in that OEM. We're going ahead and pull those out because our new one came with them. You can probably pull them out by hand. I'm gonna use just a pair of nail nose pliers here. They ain't gotta be this long, but that's just what I got. I just pull them kind of down and twist them a little bit. And that's kind of what you're looking at, just a little pop in. One time use type of little piece of equipment. Let's go ahead and get these other 2 out here. They're located right on that inside curve there. There's 1. And there's 2. All right guys, now that we got them little tab holders out, let's go ahead and put on our new OPR weather strip. You'll notice your door frame, a little bit of a C-channel that's kind of made into the door frame itself. There's where our little tab stay is going to go right there, right? And you got to work them in. So if you look at the weather strip in here, you're going to see it has that sort of a opposite C, right? To fill in that C channel right there. And that's what we're going to work, and we'll work that into place. So let's just get it up here right now. Just going to let it hang there for a second. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to start in this corner, and I'm going to work this back side that's against the outside of the door. It's harder to get to. So let's try to get our weather stripping down into that. All you really got to do is just kind of rotate it, and I'm kind of just rotating it back and pushing it in to get it kind of going there. And then with the front side here on my thumbs, I'm going to kind of try to work it in. But what I got is a roller, kind of goes to an old screen door. It's not sharp. You could probably use like a putty knife if you needed to, but the roller works pretty well. So once that back side of that is into that channel, just take this roller right here, put it right against the edge of that track, and move over here, and just slowly work it back and forth, and it'll get into that track. And you see you got a line-up tab right here. So just get that line-up tab on. You see that we're in there nice and tight on front and back. So we'll get that back side going again. Start down here. Right there. You know, if you're worried about scratching the inside of your door paint, you could always put you a little masking tape or duct tape or something like that on that. There's our first tab stay. Looks like we lined up pretty good. We'll pop that into place. And then it's going to do the same thing as we go down. Get this back side started. Get that into that track there. This track here seems to be like it's a little looser than that top one, so it's a little easier to get started. Don't really need the tool to get it all in there. All right, let's let that set like that. Old fat boy like me, I'm gonna work over here standing up for a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and work my way across top, doing the same thing that we were doing, starting the back, inside away from us. I'm gonna roll this edge down into there, right there. You can see like the front here wanted to go in there, but it makes it really tough to get that backside. It's easier to get that backside started. And just with your fingers or your wedge or your roller or whatever you got, work that front side down. And they're good, because if you're replacing this weather strip and you already know that all your leaks are going to be up here in the top anyway, up in this front corner and this back corner. So we want to make sure we get all that in there like it needs to be. This track here seems to be laying a little easier like the one on the bottom did. Now we're still working there on that top. What I was seeing there, son fired up the John Deere Gator while we was trying to do our video, so we went and cut out some noise quality, but you gotta make sure that that backside is in good, or it just hinders you. And you try to make this curve and come down this other side. All right, the other phone got too hot. We had to stop. Still working on this side here. Doing a little bit of stretching. There you go, you know, wood handles good as a hammer. Looking that back side in. Oh, it's a nice hot May day. Work on this. Oh, our bulb there, gasket bulb. Bottom track is a little bit wider, feels like, than the very tops of the door. So it is going in a little easier. Not that it's hard, it's just a little tedious. On the side we've already put in. All right, we got that new weather stripping on right there. You hear that good pop on that latch, good seal. All we got left to do is to put our door case strap back on and our wiring harness. When I got a little slack, I'm gonna put that wiring harness on. You hear it click. Put that lock up there. Put your loop back over your barb. There she is. Now that's a job well done right there. Thanks, guys.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the OPR front door weather strip for the driver's side of the 2007 to 2018 Wrangler JKs. And for all things Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.